Hey everyone, welcome back to Wixfix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you multi-state boxes. Multi-state boxes gives you the opportunity to have a lot of control on your website. You can create anything from multi-stage forms to preloaders to a bunch of different things. You can use them for very basic things on your website all the way to advanced. But today's video, we are just going to focus on the basic stuff, and in the future videos, we'll do some more advanced things with them. But let's go ahead and get started. To add multi-state boxes, you need to be in dev mode because this does require a little bit of code, at least on the basic level. So we'll go ahead and go to dev mode and turn on dev mode. Now, when we go over to add and go to interactive, we'll have a new section here for multi-state boxes. For now, I'm just going to pull out this blank one. The first thing that I noticed when creating this is over here, we have an ID for the state box, just like this. And we also have a state ID. So what we can do is go ahead and manage states. We can add a new state, and this one's going to be called state 2. Now, if I go back to state 1, let's just go ahead and add a little icon to state 1. And then let's go to state 2 and we'll add another item, just like this. So as you can see, we have two states of the same box, but now we need to add code to actually switch between them. Now the cool thing is we can use these images if we wanted to. So if we wanted the user to click these images to switch, we could do it that way. Or for this tutorial, let's just go ahead and add a button. In this button, let's just say next. And then maybe in state 2, we can have a button that says previous, just like that. So now what we want to do is create an OnClick event. So what I'm going to do is grab this button, which is button 1. I'm going to come into this onReady function, and I'm going to type S. I'm going to say $W, and I'm going to call the button 1. And we're going to say on click, we want something to happen. And what we want to do is go ahead and get this state box, which this state box is StateBox 8. So what we're going to do is $W multi-state box 8. And what we're going to do is change state, just like this. And we're going to type in state 2, because if we go over to state 2, we're going to see the state ID is state 2, and that's the one we want to switch it to. But now let's say we're on state 2 and we want to go backwards. So now let's just go ahead and copy this code real quick, paste it right here. This button is called button 2. So instead of button 1, we want to press button 2. And then on click, we want it to go from state 1 or state 2 back to state 1. So now if I go ahead and press preview on this website and I press next, it's going to switch between next and previous. It's going to switch between both of the state boxes. Now this is a very basic tutorial for how you can use multi-state boxes. But like I said before, in the future, I do plan to make some more advanced tutorials for this multi-state box. So I highly suggest you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you'll be able to see when I release more videos about multi-state boxes. But that basically wraps it up for the video. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.